one of the rarest exhibits presented in the exposition of the National Museum. It's a water vessel with a Bactrian inscription. Well, it is regarded as one of the most significant historical monuments and possesses scientific importance of global significance. On the upper part of the vessel's body, there is an inscription in ancient Bactrian language, preserved in a clear and legible condition. The inscription was studied, read, and translated by renowned epigraphic specialists Nicholas Sims-Williams and Joe Creep. The translation reads, "This vessel belongs to Lady Sakin." This artifact is important for studying the ancient languages, especially the ancient Bactrian language during the Kushan period. The vessel was discovered in 2025 at the Halkajar archaeological site in a Khorasan district of Khatlan region by the archaeologists of the National Museum, and is dated to the 2nd and 3rd centuries CE. Dear visitors, if you would like to learn more about this vessel and other discoveries made by our archaeologists, we warmly invite you to visit the National Museum.